The Iranian-backed Houthi forces launched over 100 drone and missile attacks on both commercial ships and warships belonging to the US and its Western allies. These assaults have turned the Red Sea, the Gulf of Aden, and Arabian Sea into hotspots of intense conflict in the Middle East. The situation reached its peak when the Houthi rebels repeatedly assaulted the USS Harry S. Truman, the symbol of American military power, and even came close to hitting it, just 200 meters away from the aircraft carrier, according to CTC Sentinel. Following weeks of criticism for its weak response to the Houthi attacks, during the lead-up to the 2024 election, President Donald Trump declared, "Make America great again and defeat our enemies." The largest scale assault so far took place. Below is a detailed list of the military assets deployed or reportedly used. Some may have been involved covertly and have not been publicly confirmed. 1. Aircraft. F/A-18EF Super Hornet fighters. Quantity: 10 to 15 units. F-35A Lightning II fighters. Quantity: 5 to 10 units. F-35C Lightning II fighters. Quantity: 4 to 8 units. MQ-9 Reaper drone. Quantity: 2 to 5 units. B-2 Spirit stealth bombers. Quantity: 6 units, over 1/3 of the entire US B-2 Spirit, an exceptionally large deployment. Other possible aircraft used: F-16 Fighting Falcon, 4 to 6 units. A-10 Thunderbolt II Warthog. 2. Weapons and missiles. The Tomahawk land attack cruise missiles. Quantity: 20 to 50 units. Launched from Arleigh-Burke-class destroyers such as USS The Sullivans, DDG-68, USS Spruance, or USS Stockdale. Joint direct attack munition. Quantity: 50 to 100 bombs. Types: GBU-31 2,000 pounds, GBU-38 500 pounds. Dropped from B-2, F/A-18, F-35A Lightning II fighters, F-35C Lightning II fighters. Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System. Quantity: several dozen. Launched from F/A-18EF Super Hornet fighters. Possible deployment: AGM-114 Hellfire missiles. Quantity: 10 to 20 missiles. Launched from MQ-9 Reaper drone. 3. Military support vessels. Aircraft carriers. Quantity: 2 carriers. Names: USS Harry S. Truman and USS Abraham Lincoln. Arleigh-Burke-class destroyers. Quantity: 2 to 3 ships. Names: USS The Sullivans, DDG-68, possibly USS Spruance, USS Stockdale. Submarines: Virginia-class or Los Angeles-class. Quantity: 1 to 2 submarines.